We've just finished our Tawi-Tawi adventure, so now let's go and fly away from this beautiful island and explore other parts of southern Mindanao. Hello Explorer, it's Nat the Traveling Foxes and welcome to Zamboanga. Me and my friends just came from Tawi-Tawi and then we landed here in Zamboanga as there is no direct flights to Manila, and we've decided to just spend one more day in Zamboanga. What we did is we got a car rental so we can explore the delicious food and also some tourist spots within the city. So that's what the vlog is going to be about. It's going to be the amazing food that you could find here in Zamboanga City and also what you can see if you are just here for a 24-hour trip. First things first, since our flight was at 1 p.m. I haven't had lunch, so we're gonna go and find a place where we can all eat. Alright, the locals have been raving about this place. It's called Alavar. So let's go and check it out. I'm actually really hungry. Seafood restaurant. So I am starting out with the Knickerbocker. Apparently it's a very famous dessert here in Zamboanga. I'll go to the food later, but we'll start with this. Just halo-halo? No.
Knickerbocker. It's sort of halo-halo, but it's their version of halo-halo.
May fruit with gulaman.
There's gulaman.
Yeah, so there's fresh fruit. Okay. Normally halo-halo is mostly jarred sweets, jam, and all these sweet stuff. And the ice cream is always strawberry. It will always be strawberry ice cream.
Fruit na ice cream.
It tastes like a healthier halo-halo. Guilt-free halo-halo. Although I think they have, is this, no. Oh, apple. Tastes healthy, no?
It is. Mostly fruit.
So we ordered a nice seafood platter, and just coming from Tawi-Tawi with all the seafood, my expectations on the freshness is actually quite high. So let's see if this is as good as the fresh food from Tawi-Tawi. My rice. What is this? Yummy. What is this? Crabs?
Curacha.
Curacha? Horseshoe crab.
Meron na ikaw? Sala.
Wala.
Baka ano siya, ginril, di ba?
Ham.
Alavar. Alin yung alavar sauce?
Butter and
Alin dyan?
fried garlic.
Ito.
Fish.
Gusto mo fish, Vic?
And one thing that was suggested was the Zamboanga White, which is a lychee drink. Perfect with all the mixed flavors. Really good. So everything we ate, the seafood platter, the desserts, there was even liempo, and yeah, it was 4-8, so each of us is around 1,000 pesos each, including tips, so it's not too bad. Alright, the next food stop is Lechon. So apparently they claim to be the best lechon in the country, and me being Cebuano, I think Cebuano always has the best lechon, so I'm gonna try it out and compare. So this place is called Prince Fast Food, and they have a little stall called Prince Tasty Lechon, and apparently it's one of the better ones around Zamboanga City. Attack. Skin. Dip in my sauce.
600 per kilo.
Yes, sir.
So, 500 yan.
Wow. My opinion of this? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yes.
Wow, really?
I think,
Cebuana.
yes, as a Cebuana, I think it's technically on par to the best Cebuano or Cebu Lechon. It's really good. Really, really good, yeah. It's really juicy. It's and the skin's super crunchy. Just the right amount of salt, not too salty. Really good. Definitely a must try. For the bill, 3/4 lechon, 2 pieces of rice, and we all had Coke. Total was
560.
560, so each of us are only paying 140 for that delicious meal. Just a quick stop on a shop called National Bakery, so check out what breads they have here. Oh, I love the smell of local breads. Oh. Miss, ano tong ube? Parang ano to? Parang yo-yo? Isang yo-yo. Isang yo-yo. I got a yo-yo for 15 pesos. It's like ube. It looks like, oh, but there's nothing much inside. Look at that. Lots of sugar in the outside, so it's perfect for dessert.
Pwede for slice ng braso.
It's in between bread and a super soft, moist cookie. Love it. Last food stop for tonight, as we've been eating all afternoon. We are now in Pasunanka, and there are a lot of different food stalls you can choose from. Barbecue, hot dog stick, everything. What's great about this is if you actually bring a car, you could park in the butterfly garden. There's a lot of parking here, so it's not a problem if you have a motorbike or even rented a car like what we did. So let's go and check out the food stalls available. And big tip, guys, make sure to always bring small currencies, 100 pesos, 50 pesos, because one problem we had is a lot of us brought bigger bills, which is so hard to change. So anyway, ooh, they have balut and buko juice. Daming flavor. Osaka small cup cheese na lang. Small cup cheese. They have so many flavors for the cheesy corn. So I'm just gonna get the normal cheese one.
Lagyan po ng butter?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, what else? What else? Ooh, they also have a few coffee stalls here. Kuya, may decaf kayo? Wala? Okay. Sayang, if I drink now, I might not be able to sleep later. Nene's Barbecue is just across the whole street, and you could see they put a lot of effort into making the place look nice. And there are a lot of people as well, so maybe the barbecue here is extra good as well, or is it just the ambiance that they're paying for? So what we have here, guys, is we have chicken intestine. This is what I really like eating. It's really good. You have chicken skin, and then you have chicken liver. So choose your poison. It was yummy at first and then a bit overcooked, but I think it's good.
So apparently they have different versions of the chicken skin. So the one in Tawi Tawi has the sati type of sauce. This is using a barbecue sauce. Also very good. So I would highly recommend doing it a little bit on the done side, medium well or well. And it has the caramelized flavor, the smokiness. But the best part for me is the sati sauce. This one is very good, but it's a barbecue sauce. So small difference, but both very, very good. Very good.
Last one is the chicken liver, and I think I really learned to like liver because of my low blood. Love it. So good. Cooked just right. So I guess this place is not just for the ambiance, the food actually tastes good as well. Alright guys, so I ate all of that food within the last 4 hours, so I am so full right now. I'm not even sure if I can have breakfast tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna close my vlog here because I am done with eating for today. If you want to see more travel vlogs in Zamboanga, I will be doing another one after this one. So if you haven't done so, I hope you can like this video and also subscribe. And I'll see you all on my next adventure. Bye for now!